Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the management of the asthma in hospitals or in emergency. So how can we assess the patient? So first we have to do that initial assessment of the patient. We need to take a brief history and physical examination of the accessory muscles, heart rate, respiratory rate. We need to monitor the peak expiratory flow or forced expiratory volume. For forced expiratory volume or peak expiratory flow, if it is greater than 40%, then it is considered as mild to moderate asthma. If FEV and PEF is below 40%, then it is severe asthma, or it can lead to further respiratory arrest, impending or actual respiratory arrest. So we classify them into three subdivisions: greater than 40% on FEV or PEF, less than 40% FEV or PEF, or impending or actual respiratory arrest. And for a treatment, we'll see. I'm just going to explain the treatment. We give them oral systemic corticosteroids, or we can give them oxygen to achieve the therapy, or we can give nebulizers. For severe, we can give oxygen around 90% or greater, high dose of inhaled SABA plus ipratropium by nebulizer, or we can give oral systemic corticosteroids. For impending or actual respiratory arrest, 100% oxygen will be given. Then we can give nebulized SABA and ipratropium, intravenous corticosteroids. For greater than 40%, we will repeat the assessment by checking the symptoms, physical examination, PEF value, oxygen saturation. If a patient having moderate exacerbation, 40 to 69%, and then oral corticosteroids will be given. Then along with continuous treatment for 1 to 3 hours, provided there is an improvement. For severe exacerbation, patient having 40% of FEV or PEF after the physical examination, or history of patient having high risk, or no improvement after initial therapy, then we can give again oxygen plus nebulized SABA plus ipratropium orally or continuous, or oral corticosteroids are considered urgent therapies. For good response, patient having must be achieve 70% of FEV or PEF. If the response is incomplete, then the range around 40 to 69%. For poorly response, the PEF and FEV is less than 40%. If the response is good, then the patient will be discharged and continues treatment with inhaled SABA or oral corticosteroids. And then patient education, and we have to review action plan and recommended dose for medical follow-up. If a patient is admitted to hospital ward because of incomplete response, oxygen therapy will be given, SABA could be given, or systemic or acute, systemic or intravenous corticosteroids are considered urgent therapies. Monitor the vital signs, symptoms, and FEV and PEF. And if the patient improve, continuous treatment with inhaled SABA, continuous course of systemic corticosteroids, patient education, for example, review of medications or inhalation techniques or environmental controls or the to avoid the reason of asthma with the follow-up, schedule to follow-up appointment with primary care providers for around 1 to 4 weeks. For a patient having poorly response, less than 40% admit to the hospital's intensive care unit for oxygen therapy, for inhaled SABA, orally or continuously, for intravenous corticosteroids, and then we need to see the improvement. So thank you so much for today's lecture. Hope to see you again.